Hey guys, welcome to the Angular course. In this course, we're going to learn Angular step by step. So what is Angular? Angular is a open source JavaScript framework from Google. It is used mainly in developing web applications that is completely based on JavaScript. It has a lot of built-in features, and the best thing about Angular, it is written in TypeScript. A TypeScript is a scripting language that basically compiles any code given to the TypeScript to the original JavaScript. So why should you learn Angular? Since Angular is a very stable JavaScript framework, it has been used by a lot of people. It has been used by web developers, web app developers, UI developers, UX developers, front-end developers, and mainly JavaScript developers. Angular has been since 2010, where the first version of AngularJS was released. This particular framework was actually called as AngularJS, and it was the version 1.0. 6 years later, in 2016, Angular released version 2, which changed a lot of things inside Angular. A lot of new features were added, and a lot of new additions like component-driven and modular development were also included in the Angular. In 2017, they upgraded Angular 2.0 to 4, and the same year they upgraded to 5.0. And since it has been the same, now we are working on Angular 9. Now what you should know is AngularJS is the first version of Angular. So if somebody asks you that, do you know AngularJS, make sure to tell them that you know Angular, because AngularJS is the first version and the most basic one, which is completely gone now. The first version of Angular was called as AngularJS. The latest versions or the coming versions of Angular will be still called only Angular.